Changing your primary email on SeedInvest is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the SeedInvest website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard, and click on it. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option labeled Email Preferences with contact information and select it to view your current email settings. Step 4. Update your email address. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your changes. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on SeedInvest will be updated. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages.